What do you do if you are at home and ICE knocks on your door? Always remember that you have rights that protect you. If ICE comes to your door, absent exigent circumstances, there are only two ways they can lawfully enter your home. First, with a search warrant, or second, with permission. First, let's learn about warrants. There are search warrants and there are arrest warrants. It is important to know what kind of warrant ICE has. A search warrant signed by a judge is the only warrant that allows ICE to enter your home and conduct a search. It is important to see that a judge signed the warrant. If ICE approaches your door and asks you to open it, you can ask the ICE officer to show you the warrant. Do not open the door to look at it. Instead, ask the officer to pass it under the door or hold it up to a window. That warrant will be in English. If you have trouble reading or understanding it, try to find help translating it. You should look for your name, your address, the date, and a signature by a judge. If the information on the warrant about you is not correct, or if it is signed by an ICE official, it is invalid, and you should return it under the door and tell the officer it is incorrect. If information on the warrant is correct, and it is signed by a judge, then ICE can enter your home. Now let's learn about arrest warrants. If an arrest warrant is not signed by ICE, it is invalid, and you have the right to not let the officer enter your home. If it is an arrest warrant and you choose to be arrested, empty your pockets and walk outside and close the door behind you if there are others who may be undocumented in your home. Otherwise, the officer could ask questions of those within your home too. If ICE gives you a valid search or arrest warrant, they will arrest you. Remember that you have the right to remain silent. Do not answer questions. Do not sign any paperwork. Do not tell the officer your country of nationality or provide any identification documents. Do not carry false documents with you. In Nebraska, you must state no more than your name. This is your right. Then, ask to talk to an attorney. Another way an ICE officer can enter your home legally without a warrant is if the officer is given permission by you or someone in your home. When ICE is at your door, it is important that you do not open the door. If you open the door, you are giving ICE permission to enter your home. It is important to share this information even with your children. If your child opens the door, that is permission to enter the home. So have a conversation with those in your home about never opening the door to an ICE officer without first reviewing a warrant. Now let's recap on our key points. 1, you have rights regardless of your immigration status. 2, ICE can only open your door with a search warrant that contains correct information and a judge's signature. 3, if ICE enters your home, Nebraska law requires you to state your name, but nothing else. You have the right to ask for an attorney and answer no other questions. Memorize the phone number of your attorney or a trusted contact who can reach out to a legal representative on your behalf.